Camtasia, Descript. Both of them have fantastic features. Both of them have been built specifically for different use cases. Which one should you be using? Today we're going to explore both of them and find out exactly. So let's get into it. So let us jump into Camtasia. So Camtasia combines screen recording and editing in one platform, making it ideal for creating tutorials, training videos, and even webinars. It's an all-in-one tool, and their approach simplifies the workflow for educators as well as business users. Users can also seamlessly replace backgrounds with the chroma key functionality, enabling a more polished, professional looking video. And this is perfect for presentations or creating video projects. You can add quizzes, clickable links, and hotspots to your videos to make them more engaging and interactive. The feature is particularly useful for e-learning and training purposes. Camtasia also offers pre-designed templates, themes, and presets to streamline video creation. It makes it a really beginner-friendly tool while speeding up the editing process. The software provides built-in tools to adjust audio levels, remove background noise, and even sync audio with your visuals, ensuring professional sound quality. Camtasia's user-friendly interface is also designed for more non-professionals, allowing even beginners to create polished videos effortlessly. One or two of their drawbacks, however, is for professionals, Camtasia lacks advanced editing tools like 3D effects or even Hollywood-grade color grading, which might kind of restrict your creativity flexibility slightly. Also, Camtasia comes with a hefty one-time price, which might not be feasible for casual users or anybody that's doing video editing more as a hobby. Alright, so we're jumping into Descript now. And with Descript, you can actually edit videos by editing the transcript, making it easier for anybody that's unfamiliar with traditional video editing. Descript also automatically transcribes audio and video, allowing easy search editing and subtitle generation. The overdub feature lets you create AI-generated voiceovers based on your voice, saving time for narration. You can also have collaborative workflows, which basically means that team members can collaborate in real time. You can make edits as well as comments, and this can basically streamline the review process if you are working in a team. Descript also provides advanced tools for podcast editing, including multi-track audio editing, removing filler words, and enhancing sound quality. It also automatically detects scene changes in videos, helping to structure and organize content quickly and automatically without you having to actually do it yourself. One or two of their drawbacks, however, unfortunately, is that there are no advanced visual effects. So it lacks the advanced video effects and the animations that some of their competitors may offer. It does kind of limit the creativity possibilities for video projects if you are like more of a hardcore hands-on video editor. Also, it is subscription based, so you can jump in with a monthly or a yearly subscription. It may cost more over time compared to, some other software that is either free or that has a one-time cost. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Both of the software that we just reviewed now are amazing. They both have fantastic features. They both appeal to different groups of people. And the takeaway here really is to figure out which group you fit into and which software you would be using. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.